Welcome back, guys. Today we're cooking some creamy Tuscan garlic salmon. And here are our ingredients: garlic, garlic powder, Italian seasoning, Parmesan cheese, chicken stock, heavy cream, as well as spinach, sun-dried tomatoes, and quick cooking tapioca. So again, with the basics, we're just going to season our salmon with salt, pepper. Moving on now, we're just going to sear our salmon, plain and simple like that, just with the salt and pepper, nothing changed. Now we're going to add after our salmon has been seared completely, we're just going to add our garlic, and then we're just going to have that sear for a bit and get that mixed up nice and well. Alright, so now we're just going to add these ingredients. So first we're just going to do the heavy cream, like that. The chicken broth, of course, because you know it's an ingredient. The Parmesan cheese, and the rest of the seasoning we have here. Just the Italian seasoning and the garlic powder. Let's mix that up and we'll see you in a bit. Alright, now just to thicken our sauce up, we're just going to slowly whisk in some tapioca pearls. Alright, we're just going to whisk in our tapioca and it's going to get thicker and thicker and it's going to be a great sauce. The sauce has been simmered and is a pretty thick consistency, like about this thick. We're just going to add the rest of our ingredients. Sun-dried tomatoes, and we're just going to add our spinach, and we're just going to whisk this up, and it's going to be a good sauce. Alright, we've added our salmon back in, and the sauce looks super cheesy, ooey, and gooey. Just looks delicious. Let's get this on the plate and try it out. So, this is the final product, and I'm going to tell you that this looks amazing. You guys can probably agree, so let's give it a try. Right after that, you get hit with the strong sharpness of the Parmesan cheese, which is really, really delicious. The spinach, just like, delicious. The tomatoes adds a little burst of acidity, and like the oil from the tomatoes makes it really, really good. And it has a really good flavor. It just complements each other nicely. This is delicious. See you later, guys, and remember, like, subscribe, comment, or read all of them. Meet Max.